Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some shop upgrades to do, as you guys saw in the thumbnail probably. Lights came. The other stuff that I ordered didn't come yet, so today we're going to be putting lights in, I guess. Let's take a look at what we got here. Sorry guys. Camera's acting up here. Okay, so this is basically what we got to look at. Garage lamps, they unfold. This is all the info. Seems to be pretty good. I don't know. Ooh. Let me pull one out of the bag here and we'll get a better look. Alright, I got it out of the packaging and unfolded here, and yeah, it looked not bad. I gotta pull that cap off and I screw it in. But yeah. Let me grab the ladder. We'll set it up right here for this one. And we'll be back. There we go. We'll be back to see how much brighter it is in here. And then we'll do that one over there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm like deathly afraid of heights. Even this is going to be a little bit spooky, so don't laugh at me if I start shaking and freaking out. Let's go see how it works. Let's do this live action for you. It's getting a little bit shaky. Come on. Great. See how it looks, guys. Oh, wow. Look at the light it's pushing, guys. Holy jeez. That's just that one light is on. I think the rest of the garage is off. Let's see. Only that switch is for that light. The other switch does the rest of the lights. Damn. Oh yeah. Not bad. We'll get that other one put in and we'll be right back. Well guys, as you can see behind me, I got the new lights put in, and look how bright that is up front. Yeah, it's also 10 a.m. but this is how much brighter. I guess that's regular light back there. You see that? That's regular light. The further I get away from it, like you can even see in that corner. It's bright, guys. So, what I'm gonna do, let me flip this switch on. It's even brighter. What I'm gonna do now is go check the mail and wait for my ICT billet computer mount bracket and stuff to show up. And if it does, I'll show you guys it by the end of the video. If not, we'll be back tonight to give these lights a real test. Okay? Stay tuned, folks. We'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. It's dark. I only have that light on right now. I'm gonna go to the corner here and let's turn the lights off. Or wait, I gotta turn this guy off, and then we'll go over there and we'll turn the other ones on. It's gonna get dark. Can't see nothing, just barely my face. Okay. You can see the two green lights. See how it looks in here, guys. Here's one. Okay, let's try that again. Here's one. Whoa. Sorry for the glare. There we go. That is bright. And I adjusted them. If you'll be able to see on that one over there. If it'll focus. Yeah, I angled them so that it produces light over the corner more. As, like that. Because remember before, guys, we were talking about how we're gonna need another light up here. Because when you flip this switch, Oh, it's so much brighter. Holy shoot. Right? That corner was dark. So I angled those lights. I'm sorry for the glare. I really am. I angled those lights. So now that opens that up. And the cool thing is, this is really cool. Hang on, let me grab a beer here. The cool thing is mom and the stepdad liked them so much, they decided to order more for the rest of the garage. So, and they should, like I said, they should be here by Friday. So, they should, yeah, this video, or the video quality should be way better. The lighting should be way better. I'll be able to see what I'm doing. And yeah, it's only like 7 o'clock at night and it's pitch black out. So, winter's here. Next thing will be, well, next shop upgrade will be me and my buddy Adam finish insulating these walls here. We got some over here, and I think over here, no, there's the insulation right back there. I think we just got to poly some spots, and I think just right here. Here, I think, is the only spot. There. So, gonna get it ready for winter. That'll be the next shop update or upgrade. So, but that was for today. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. The parts that I ordered for my CT still haven't shown up, which is mind-boggling because they usually show up like the next day later, or a couple days later, and it's already, well, that's what they originally said they're supposed to be here Monday, which they weren't. Then they said they were supposed to be here Tuesday, which they weren't. Then they said they were supposed to be here Wednesday, which is the day that they originally were supposed to be here. So who knows? Who knows? Like, but they'll be here before next video. So until then, guys, thank you so much. Comment down below what you guys think of the lights. So much better in here, hey? So much brighter. I'm doing work underneath the hood. Like, I don't need the flashlight much anymore. You notice that? So like, the odd thing we're gonna need the flashlight for, but otherwise, you can even see down in here. Look at that. You can really get how clean that I got that. So, yeah, looks so much better. Anyways, thanks guys. I'm gonna finish my beer now, go home, and help the kiddo with her homework. And tomorrow, my littlest one comes back. So, yeah. All right, guys. Until next time, love you guys. God bless.